Morning, Mark. Thank you for inquiring about the German assist G80. As you can see, I've got one right here behind me. Comes with for all four wheels, smart cruise, wraparound headlights, alloy wheels, LED turn signal, proximity key, lovely leather interior, black leather interior. Also comes with a touchscreen, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, heated seats, lane keep assist. There's so many great features on this vehicle. The great thing about the Genesis is you get a 3-year 36,000 mile complimentary valet service, 5 years 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which will exclusively double to 20 years 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. My name's Mark, so give me a call on 205 720 6581. You're going to love where you're treated here at Genesis Hoover.